In our previous class, in forms of energy, we discussed about the mechanical energy and different types of mechanical energies, such as kinetic and potential. In potential also we discussed there are two types of potential energy: gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Today, the next form of energy is heat energy. You can write the definition. It is the form of energy which gives the sensation of warmth. It is a form of energy that gives the sensation of warmth. Okay? It is the form of energy that gives okay everybody, there are some other definitions, but that is for higher classes, not for you. Everybody able to hear me? Okay, so this is all about heat energy. Yes, examples: the energy released when anything burns, like burning of wood gives of wood, coal, oil. This all gives heat energy only. Okay. Other than that, sometimes the vehicles run, the engine gets heated because the fuel burns there. Hope I'm clear. Yes. Hmm. That gives the sensation of warmth. It is the form of energy that gives the sensation of warmth. Okay. Okay. Next is the chemical energy. It is the energy possessed by a body which released during the chemical reaction. Okay. It is the energy possessed by a body that release. Yes, I am not getting you. I said it is already written also here. Burning of wood gives heat energy. Burning of anything which burns gives the heat energy. Clear? Please respond, then only I will proceed. You asked a question, someone asked a question and not responding when I am answering that. Chemical energy, it is the energy possessed by a body that released during chemical reactions. Example, suppose in your batteries, just think about a battery. What chemicals are there? Because of when you connect the positive and negative terminal, they react and give the heat, light, other form of energy. So examples are energy stored in a battery, energy stored in a battery, or energy stored in coal in our body also. Energy stored in our body. These all are in the chemical form, in chemical energy, which during the chemical reaction, generally, example, energy means when you connect batteries to the positive negative terminal, that is the under chemical reaction it will undergo, and it will release the energy, either light or heat or sound, anything. Similarly, coal when you burn, the chemical energy converts into heat energy, light energy. Okay. Similarly, in our body, energy in the form of chemical energy, because of we are able to do the different works like walking, running, talking, everything. Clear? Now next is light energy. It is the energy that enables us to see the things. Or simple I say, it's a form of energy. Light is the form of energy that gives sensation of sight. Sensation of sight. That means we are able to see because of light energy. Suppose if in a room you go, everything are like that. Your eye is working perfectly, but it is a dark. Are you able to see the things? You will able to see? No. When you switch on the lights, then only you will able to see. That means what made us to see the things? Light. So that's why we say that it is the form of energy that gives the sensation of sight. Are you clear? Okay. And okay, next. Okay. Light photosynthesis. Example is photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis, light energy converts into chemical energy. Light energy used by the plants to get stored in the convert into chemical energy. Photosynthesis. Okay.